Welcome to this virtual walkthrough of a 3D interactive construction site environment. The selected practice for this demonstration is digital construction site management, with a focus on how emerging technologies enhance health and safety, progress monitoring, and site logistics. In today's construction industry, digital transformation plays a critical role in improving efficiency and sustainability. Through this interactive simulation, we'll explore how tools such as drones, IoT-connected sensors, and real-time monitoring systems can be integrated to create a safer, smarter, and more sustainable work environment. This virtual site demonstrates the practical application of these technologies, showing how data-driven decision-making can optimize workflows, reduce on-site risks, and support the long-term goals of sustainable construction.
As we begin the walkthrough, we can see the drone pad on site. This drone plays a vital role in the digital progress monitoring and safety management. It routinely surveys the site, capturing real-time imagery and 3D mapping data that's sent to the office through an IoT network. By hovering around different areas, workers, machinery, and active construction zones, the drone helps detect unsafe practices, equipment collisions, and progress delays. This use of autonomous drones reduces the need for manual inspections, improving both workflow efficiency and sustainability by cutting unnecessary site travel and emissions.
Here we can see Brian, one of the workers on site. However, he's not wearing the required PPE, which poses a security risk. The drone camera has detected this issue and automatically relayed footage to the site office through the IoT network. This allows supervisors to immediately notify the worker and record the event in the safety dashboard. Such real-time feedback ensures compliance, reduces injury risks, and helps maintain a strong safety culture on site.
Now, as we approach the excavator, notice the proximity sensors installed on the vehicle. These sensors detect nearby movement, whether it's workers or other machinery, and send that data directly to the IoT dashboard inside the office. This excavator is operating next to a bulldozer, which is also equipped with a proximity sensor. By continuously monitoring the distances between these two heavy machines, the system prevents potential collisions and improves on-site logistics. Such technologies help operators plan movements more safely and efficiently.
Here, we can see Stephen, another worker who's standing too close to the excavator and also behind the marked safety cones. This is a clear safety breach. The excavator's proximity sensor has identified Stephen's location and issued a proximity alert, which has already been transmitted to the site office. At the same time, the drone has picked up the event visually and flagged it on the safety dashboard. This integration of sensor data and drone vision creates a connected, intelligent safety network, preventing accidents through real-time monitoring and automated alerts.
Next, we have the CO2 sensor placed in a high traffic area. This device continuously measures the air quality, and in this case, if carbon dioxide levels rise above 2002 parts per million, it signals a dangerous concentration. Such conditions can lead to fatigue and reduced worker focus. Through the IoT connection, the sensor immediately alerts the site office dashboard, prompting ventilation checks or temporary evacuation of affected zones. Monitoring environmental factors like carbon dioxide supports both worker health and sustainability, ensuring that the construction site remains compliant with green building and safety standards.
Here we can see the site surveillance cameras, which form another important layer of digital oversight. These cameras provide continuous monitoring of site safety, equipment usage, and overall progress. They also record time-lapse data that can be used for progress tracking and management reporting. The footage is transmitted through the IoT system to the site office, where it supports decisions related to safety audits and workflow optimization. By reducing the need for constant physical inspections, surveillance technology enhances both efficiency and resource sustainability.
Now, we'll move to the second scene, the site office, where all the IoT data connections are displayed. This is the digital command center for the construction project, where all the data from the field is collected, analyzed, and visualized.
Here we can see the drone monitor. It displays real-time aerial footage and analysis results from the drone surveys. This helps management identify safety violations, monitor construction progress, and plan equipment logistics more efficiently. The system also uses stored footage to create visual history of site development, supporting future project planning and verification.
This is the IoT dashboard, the heart of the site's digital monitoring system. Here we can observe multiple live feeds, such as air quality, equipment proximity, and worker safety status. Right now the carbon dioxide level is reading higher than normal, signaling a potential hazard. The proximity sensor data shows that the bulldozer's area is safe, but one worker remains too close to the excavator. Based on this data, the next course of action would be to alert the worker, adjust equipment zones, and check ventilation systems. Meanwhile, the drone has identified these same risks visually, as well as a PPE violation, confirming the sensor data demonstrating the integration reliability of the digital system.
Finally, we have the surveillance dashboard displaying footage from multiple site cameras. The system has automatically flagged instances of missing PPE and unsafe proximity to equipment. In addition to safety monitoring, this technology can also track material deliveries, equipment utilization, and construction milestones, which improves both productivity and sustainability. By digitalizing these workflows, the project minimizes paperwork, reduces human error, and supports a more environmentally conscious approach to construction management.
In summary, this interactive virtual environment demonstrates how digital technologies such as IoT networks, drones, sensors, and smart cameras can revolutionize construction site management. They enable safer, more efficient, and more sustainable workflows through real-time data collection, automated alerts, and integrated monitoring. By visualizing these processes in Unity, we gain a clear understanding of how modern construction sites can use technology to achieve greater safety, productivity, and sustainability. Thank you for watching our demonstration.